Hi, and welcome to the How-To Guide Starting a Preferred Pumper Program, brought to you by Western States Alliance, a project of PPRC, courtesy of the USDA Technical Assistance Grant. We are going to go through an explanation of what is a preferred pumper program, the importance of having a program, and the benefits of implementing a program. So let's get started. So what is a preferred pumper program? Well, we will be using Oregon's preferred pumper program as an example. This program is explained as follows. The Preferred Pumper Program, PPP, is an alliance of pumper companies working with local sewer agencies to establish standards of cleaning and reporting procedures for grease interceptors. The developed criteria encourages effective maintenance, which extends the life of pretreatment equipment, helps prevent building sewer backups, and helps promote compliance with local sewer use ordinances. Why is a preferred pumper program needed, and why do we care? Well, fog, fats, oils, and grease can cause a lot of expensive problems, from sanitary sewer overflows, SSOs, clogged pipes that increase maintenance and operational costs, to human and environmental health issues. This graph shows the amount of fog being captured from before and after all drains were hooked up into the interceptor. Notice the major increase in each area, especially the hospital. Now, just by viewing this, what comes to your mind? Well, first off, there is a lot more fog being captured after the retrofit. This also means that the price to clean out the interceptor will increase, and the FSC would have had to install a larger interceptor. More frequent cleaning would be scheduled and reported through the pumper, and the decrease in line cleaning and pump and treatment plant cleanouts would be noticeable. This would decrease the cost of the municipality, increase the work of the pumper, and increase the actual cost of the FSC. And this shows the actual generation of fog being created, and thus applies the actual cost to the generator. So what are our desired outcomes? We want to protect public health and the environment. We want a cost-effective, data-driven program. We want to provide a public service that interacts with restaurants, schools, care and correctional facilities, as well as the general public. We want to be effective and efficient for our stakeholders, and of course comply with state and federal regulations. If we then take a look at some of the fines EPA has charged municipalities in the past for SSOs, we notice that this can be a very expensive problem. Look at Atlanta, for example. A total payout of $30.7 million. That is a large chunk of budget that ought to be better spent elsewhere. Tried and true, having a PPP will help keep your municipality from having to pay fines like these. This is a sample cost-benefit analysis for a large service district with over 650,000 population, over 50 significant industrial facilities, and over 2,300 FSEs. This particular district contains 12 member cities. Smaller communities can use the same structure, but costs and benefits will be much lower. The first column shows their current costs before program implementation. The second column shows costs of the program. The third column shows their savings. This is over a 5-year plan, and in the bottom right-hand corner you will notice they saved over $2.4 million in budget, highlighted in green. This bar graph puts the savings into a really easy to understand graphic. Notice how the WWTP operation cost dropped by over $2 million because fog was being captured at the source instead of dealt with at the end of the line. Now, I know this isn't easy, and from past experience, we want to make sure you understand barriers we have experienced before to help you avoid these issues, such as regulatory complexity and lack of alignment, costs, capacity, and compliance, retrofitting existing problems, costs and incentives, education and outreach, plan review and support, effective sizing, and energy recovery. There are different options to collect data, reports, and to compile metrics. We highly recommend using a digital platform because of all of the features provided, ease of access, and reduction in overall cost. On behalf of the USDA and WSA, thank you for your time. We hope this guide helps you with your fog preferred pumper program. You are welcome to reach out to WSA or PPRC to schedule a training or receive training resources.